Hello everyone. Today I am going to demonstrate how to configure a content item in ServiceNow. Content items are catalog items designed to link to external or internal resources like knowledge articles, modules, service catalogs, and external web pages. They allow users to access to essential resources right from the catalog page. To create a content item, click on All menu. In the navigation filter, type Content Item. Click on Content Item under Service Catalog, Catalog Definitions. Click on New to create a new content item. Enter a name that clearly describes the purpose of the content item. Choose the catalog and category in which the content item will appear. For this example, I am selecting Service Catalog and category as Can we help you? Provide a short description to give users context on what the item offers. Select an icon for the content item. Select the content type as external content and target as new window. Enter a URL for the external page that you want the users to navigate to. Save the content item. Let's test the content item we just created. Click on All. In the navigation filter, type Service Catalog. Click on Service Catalog under Self-Service. Click on Can we help you category. Click on the content item we just created. So as you click on the content item, it navigates to the page or the URL that we have provided as an external link. That's all about content items in ServiceNow. Thank you for watching.